What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back here at the body shop, another day on the Evo. And today what I want to do is get this thing completely prepped out, primed, and then maybe prepped out again, ready for paint. The goal is hopefully Tuesday, we might be able to spray this out. The temperature is going to be nice. It's actually getting in the 70s this week, which hasn't been in the 70s since friggin' summer. So what I want to do first is just get the roof sanded down again. I still see some gloss up on the roof, so we got to get that sanded down so we have something for the paint to stick to. And then we're gonna get the windows and all the glass masked off, and we can prime this thing out. And then we'll have to wait for that to cure. We'll sand it down, and we'll see what to do next. Dying on me. Seems like stuff. All right, driver's side windows are done. You can see, getting better with my whole masking job. And then coming over to the passenger side, I want you guys to guess which one I did and which one Cameron did. So, professional bodywork guy and the noob. Explain your professional masking job.
Production line.
What is this? Okay, this is OCD, not OCD. Now, he says that we have a warranty if we have overspray on the interior. He's gonna buy a new car.
New car? Shit. I'll buy you some carpet cleaner.
Carpet cleaner? I guess new glass, guys. I don't know if I mentioned in the past videos, but we got a brand new windshield because the other one had a big crack in it, and now we're gonna paint it red.
Go fast, finish fast.
But that's about all that we're gonna get to today. Tomorrow, it's gonna go to the booth, get primed out, and then, I don't know, I wanted to spray it Tuesday, but Cameron seems to have other plans. Hopefully, by the end of the week, it is supposed to be really nice this week, and as long as the weather still cooperates, hopefully we can get this thing red again, and I can go home, where I can finally get the engine in, because it's been sitting in the corner forever.
I don't know what to say. I don't need, no.
Talk louder.
I don't know what to say.
Alright, it's a few days later. Last night, we did come in here. I didn't film anything, just because I'm trying to get all this knocked out, but we hit primer on the spots that needed it. A few on this side, a few on the trunk, and then kind of up this back pillar and the front of the door, because obviously this was really bad up here. So everything's sanded down, 600, 800, and now we've got to bring the car out, wash it all up. I'm gonna leave the masking on so we don't flood the interior again for the third time. And then we'll have to remask everything, but we're gonna hit it with, water, Comet, and red Scotch-Brite, get the whole car completely finalized, and then it's pretty much ready, I think. I got a thumbs up from this guy, so I think that means we're good. Here we are, a couple hours later. Car is in the modified booth. As you can see, the inflatable booth is down, so it looks a lot bigger in here. But we're good to pretty much start spraying. I got everything masked. And then we just hit it with some, is that like wax and grease remover, essentially? Yeah, so wax and grease remover, and then tack rack the entire car. So surface should be good to go. And yeah, this day seemed like it was never gonna come, but here we are. We're hoping to have base laid down today, and then we can get clear done tomorrow. First coat of base is down. I think we just clear over that and we'll be dialed. Kidding, guys. That is just a coat of sealer just to go over the primer, and just so happens it's nice and red, so kind of blends in nice. But now we're actually gonna mix up some base and we'll be able to lay our first coat down. I'm so excited. This is, been waiting a long time for this, so hopefully it goes good. That's all we can hope for. Fingers crossed, baby. Here it is after 2 coats of base. In my opinion, it's looking really, really good. This is my first time seeing the car all in one color, including the front of this door that is now fixed. So we're probably gonna lay one more coat of base on here and then let it sit overnight, and then tomorrow morning we'll come in and spray a few coats of clear, and then this thing can go in the trailer and back to the house. Alrighty guys, so it's the next day now. We did finish up with base coat last night, and we actually just finished up with clear coat today. I woke up this morning, got a call from Cameron, said he couldn't find any clear coat in the shop. But then he called me back about 5 minutes later, found some, and what we do, 3 coats? 4? Yeah, we have 4 coats, and looks pretty good. So after like 500 hours of sanding, you guys ready to see this thing with some red paint? Well, here you go. So here it is. Like I said, 4 coats of clear, and it actually came out really, really good. So we did have a bug fly into the paint or into the clear on this side. We got it out, but its legs are still in there, so we're definitely gonna have to wet sand and buff this entire car. But yeah, it's super cool to finally see this thing all fresh. This door was never this good since I've owned it, and yeah, so now hopefully it matches up good with our bumpers and the wing that we did prior. So the last things we have left to do on this car is the hood, the fenders, and the skirts. I do have kind of this special thing planned for the hood. You guys will see once we get that in, but I do have to sand it all down. If you guys remember, the clear coat over the carbon is pretty badly cracked and weathered, so we're hoping we can bring that back to life. I'm not a carbon guy, so if we sand into the carbon and it's still messed up, I gotta send it out to someone to get that repaired. But yeah, looks really freaking good. Probably later this week we'll get it rolled out of here into the main bay, and we can wet sand and buff this thing and really just finish it off. that's pretty much it for today, as far as we can get. I'm gonna go home and shower. I'm super sticky from the clear coat because these rednecks around here don't wear any masks. So, what do you got to say?
He's sticky because of another reason.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Easy, buddy. That's not what's happening in here. I'm back home now, and you can probably just tell I am just super excited to finally have this car back and be able to progress further on it. Done so many hours in body work, and for it to finally be closing up and see the end in sight is, yeah, it's super rewarding. So Cameron was able to work on the car a little bit today while I was at work. He just sent me some pictures. He started to wet sand and buff the car. So any runs that were in the car are now gone. And I think he sent me a picture of the trunk that he cut and buffed, or cut and polished, I guess you could say. And it looks freaking flawless. So if we can get the whole car to look like that, I'm gonna be over the moon. But yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. I'm stoked. I'm probably gonna go there one of these next few days. I'm pretty busy this weekend, but I wanna get over there, help him finish that up, and then we can bring it back to the house and, you know, keep making progress. But that's gonna be it for now. I hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry this bodywork process took so long, but, you know, Rome wasn't built in a day. We're making progress, and that's all that really matters here. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, peace out. See y'all later.